Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Our obstructed equanimity throws us into loftiness. Our four continents will lose the four kinds of birthlessness, and we will fall into a realm of darkness. If we are obstructed, we will be ensnared. If we relax in our clarity, our liberation is sure. As for the way that it is during the interim, a Vajra Guru works toward liberation. He does not teach us in words. This is a transmission in which we settle ourselves. It is eternally clear, but we do not recognize it. If it is not exemplified by a guru who makes things clear, this transmission for settling ourselves will have no awareness. Our intellects are lucid and lack four kinds of problems: intentional actions, indifference, attachment, and clinging. Our wisdom is clear, while it has no origins or engagements. It is clear in every circumstance, but is not recognized. We have gone into the river of uncontrived awareness. We have cut through objectives that are just clingings to signs. As for secret and unspeakable awareness, we use the methods of untaught awareness to understand it. Thusness reaches its end. This is the path of the mind. Awareness that does not travel is perfected in a single instant. From Sky Space, the Great Tantra on the Bodhicitta, this is Chapter 13, Teachings that have no ideas or obstructions. Teaching the measure of the Great Pervader. Now there is even more to be explained. The Pervader is the Dharmakāya. It has no measure or counting. As it is with the magnificent sky, the Pervader is our own mind. This is like that. As for the true nature of a mind that has no measure, it does not harbor concern for either self or other. In the mandala of the sun and moon, in the sky there is no measure. It is beyond measure. It is perfect in its position. This is like the greatness of the sky that is beyond any limit. In its pervasion it is clear, but it is beyond any visualization. The magnificent sky of Vajrasattva is the supreme transmission of the heart essence of the secrets.